Today, you will learn how to insert a thick line in Word. First, click on the Insert tab and then select Shapes. From the list of shapes, choose the Line tool. Now click and drag across the page to draw a line. Hold down the Shift key while drawing the line. This helps create a perfectly straight horizontal line instead of a slightly tilted one. After drawing the line, click on it to select it. A Shape Format tab will appear at the top. Click on Shape Outline and then choose Weight. Here, you can select different thickness options. The larger the weight number, the thicker the line becomes. Try different options until you find the style you like. You can also change the color of the line by clicking Shape Outline and selecting a color from the menu. You can also resize the line at any time. Simply click on the line and drag the handles on either end to make it longer or shorter. Another feature you may find useful is Word's automatic line creation. If you type 3 hyphens and press Enter, Word automatically creates a horizontal line. Different symbols can create different line styles, but if you need a truly thick line, using shapes is generally the better choice. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.